Guys, here's the update. I got the ball joints in. I put the new tie rod on it and on, as you can see there. I didn't buy a tube of grease. The other ones were pre-packed. That came factory, and I thought this would, so I gotta get a tube of grease and find my grease gun and fill that up. But I got that on, and I got the ball joint on. You can see a bunch of grease because I packed that full. So, and come over here. I got that ball joint. I'm gonna wipe that grease off. You can see the grease really goopy full, and see how this tie rod end right here is pre-packed, no greaser on it. But also got that on, as you can see. And the exhaust, I did get some weld on it. I couldn't get my helmet, my whole head under here, so I couldn't hardly reach and weld. And I got that big wire, so it didn't help too much. But as you can see, there's the welds. Not pretty welds, but they are there. And you got T-clamps and a new pipe in there, so that completes your exhaust. And I'll probably wire it a little bit better. It had that wire on, like I said, so it's real close. Just gotta get that grease. I gotta get 2 cotter pins, 2 actually, yeah. And just put the tranny fluid in. I'm gonna put this plastic under here in a few minutes, under the front. It goes around under the fender well, like right here in that spot in the fender well. And there's plastic. It goes underneath here in the radiator support. It's gonna go in. You can see where the plastic hooks. But other than that, you can see how this is filled in with the plastic under this fender. Other than that, it's about ready to go, Mom. So I'm gonna send a link. Stay tuned for updates, everybody. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. It's gonna be more videos to come. I'm gonna be working on that truck a little bit. Pond over there. And that van. Well, Insect Track 8852 with the Beehole Rippers and the Maniac Z Club. Signing out. Stay tuned for an update. And I got my dog ripping my leg off here. Being crazy. He's crazy. This is Harley. And there's Chester. Let go, you ripped my shoelace, boy. Alright. And we're